Hi, I'm the product manager for the new MindManager app for Microsoft Teams. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of the main features of this new application as we enter into the open beta period. I won't be covering the process of mapping or flowcharting much in this video, so if you're interested in that, you can find out more on our website or try the new interactive tutorials in MindManager version 20. So let's get started. If your Teams administrator installed the application, you'll see the MindManager icon here on the left side. If you don't see that icon, you can always click the three dots here and you should see it in the list of apps here, or you can try searching by typing MindManager and that should bring it up for you so you can do that. Let's go ahead and launch the app. The application requires you to sign in. If your administrator set up SSO, you can sign in with SSO. You can also create an account, but let's just sign in for now. Go ahead and put in your email and password, and that will launch the main application. This is the app's home screen. Here you can create a new file or browse your existing files in your Teams application. This is going to show you a list of all the different files and all the different teams that you have access to. Here you can choose which type of map you want to make, and you can select a theme, and then go ahead and click Create to create your new map. This is the map editing interface. From here you can add topics via keyboard shortcut, or you can use the quick add buttons. You can also multi-select and add things like task information or icons. You can also add tags and all sorts of different things that are available in MindManager. Again, if you're interested in that, you can check out our website to learn more about what you can do with those things. After you've added icons, you can use them to filter the content. That's going to give you a more focused view of your work. When you're ready to save your work, click Save, and then choose a location inside the Teams files. You can navigate around the different folders using the UI here, and then choose a folder to save it in. Give it a name and go ahead and save it. Another really helpful feature of the app is the ability to add tabs to specific channels within Teams. This makes it easy to find files that are related to a specific channel. So in this case, we have the channel General. And if I wanted to add, say, a project plan related to this channel discussion, I could click the plus here and then choose the MindManager application. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and give your tab a name, and then you can choose what you want your tab to show. There are some options here. The first is an existing MindManager file. There's also an existing folder, and then there's a brand new MindManager file. In this case, I'll choose an existing MindManager file. And what that's going to do is load the file into the tab, so that every time this tab is clicked on or opened, that file is going to be the one that's shown. If, for example, you chose a specific folder, then the tab would show instead a list of files, and you could click on any of them to open them. Now that we're looking at the tab view, you can click here to chat about the file. Comments added here are also shown in the Post tab of this channel. There's two ways that other people can join you in this map. The first is to copy the link to the tab and send it to them via Teams. This will allow them to join it by clicking on the link directly. The other way they can join is by going to the channel and clicking on the tab at the top that's called Project Plan here. If they do that, they'll also load and open the map. So right now, while Rufat is busy clicking on that link, eventually he'll join us here. I'll just add some updates to the map, maybe some notes here. Maybe we have a project update of some sort. Maybe we need to update the status of Project Atlas to normal. And there you go, Rufat has joined us. So when he's there, you can see that he's got his mouse cursor moving around, and we can also see what topic he has selected. As long as you have autosave turned on, all of the changes that we make during this session are going to be automatically saved back to our Teams files. So I hope you enjoyed this brief demo of the MindManager app for Microsoft Teams, and I hope to see you making some awesome maps. Thanks a lot.